Mother's Day. That's because you know. Now to get fast. And we're going to adjust the bag of dirt inside the gift basket. All right, we're going to place tissue paper around the soil bag. Place the garden tool inside. The other garden tool on the other side. I'm going to place the seed starting tray on this side. The garden gloves. You need to take them to right here. Another seed soil. Place right here. Another seed soil pack. All right. Got our kneeling bench. So when you're in the garden, you have a nice cushion. I'm going to place that on this side. Sprinkler system. Placing the gloves in the front. And there go our garden gift basket. Some more potting soil. All right, that's the front with the gloves, the potting soil. On the side, we got the water spout, the kneeling bench. This is what the back looks like. The other side is another water spout and seeding trays. Step 1 of the garden gift basket. Step 2 is wrapping. A Unique Gifts, home of the unique gifts. Tune in for step 2. Everyone have a blessed day. Tune in for part 2.